Future Energies was established in 2012 with an objective to work towards a green and more sustainable future for generations to come. Our CSR initiatives echo the organization's founding principle of giving back to society.
For us, it's a lot larger than CSR. We feel we are in a business where we have very high impact because our business by its very nature improves the environment. So we are positive when it comes to power, we are positive when it comes to water, and we want to be positive when it comes to people.
Our belief that education is for all paved the way for us to open Asha Education Centers in collaboration with Raman Kant Munjal Foundation in villages across India. These centers continue to reshape the future of underprivileged children by providing them with remedial education since its inception in 2005.
हम यहाँ पर आकर ड्राइंग करते हैं और कहानी सीखते हैं।
मैम हमको रोज नई नई एक्टिविटी सिखाते हैं, पढ़ाई के साथ अलग अलग गेम्स खिलाते हैं। कैरम खेलना, फुटबॉल खेलना, ड्राइंग बनाना, डांस करना, ये सब कुछ सिखाते हैं।
Opened with a dual objective, Asha Education Centers have also been instrumental in reviving the careers of teachers residing in these villages.
यहाँ पर हम लोगों को समय समय पर टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है, जिसमें हम लोगों को सीखने के लिए मिलता है कि बच्चों को कैसे नए नए एक्टिविटीज़ के द्वारा पढ़ाया जा सकता है, क्या क्या नई नई एक्टिविटीज़ करवाई जा सकती है, कैसे उनको रेगुलर स्कूल आने के लिए प्रेरित किया जा सकता है। इसके अलावा यहाँ से जो हम लोगों को सैलरी मिलती है उससे मैं अपना घर खर्च स्वयं उठा सकती हूँ और उसके अलावा खुद के भी छोटे मोटे खर्चे उठाती हूँ।
Women are an integral part of the society. We indirectly empower women through teaching them different skills. The day the woman has a skill through which she knows she can earn a living, in that household suddenly it's a very, very positive atmosphere. The atmosphere changes.
The skills taught here became a pivot for change for so many unfinished dreams.
मुझे कंप्यूटर सीखकर बहुत ही बेनिफिट हुआ है। इससे मैं पहले स्टूडेंट बनकर जैसे सीखती थी और अब टीचर बनकर सिखाती हूँ, तो इससे बहुत ही प्राउड फील होता है।
कंपनी में मैं काम करती हूँ और मेरा सपना है कि मैं अपनी खुद की ब्यूटी खोल सकूँ।
The organization's firm belief in ensuring a better quality of life for communities living around the project sites has been the seed for thought behind starting many community projects. One such initiative has been the construction of water check dams in water-scarce regions of Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. These dams not only recharge groundwater but have also become a water resource for irrigation for farmers.
जो डोलडा चेक डैम बना है उससे काश्तकारों को और हमें काफ़ी फ़ायदा हुआ है। कुएं का जल स्तर भी बढ़ा है और आज जो फसल हमारे पहले एक सीज़न में होती थी अब वो 2 सीज़न में होने लगी है और आय फसल भी दुगनी हो रही है।
The thought that potable water is a basic right for all and why should people be devoid of it turned into a CSR initiative for Hero Future Energies.
Either they were walking for miles, spending half a day just to go to the next village, coming back with one big bucket of water, that too with bruised shoulders. We've created water ATMs using solar power. We'd like to do as many water ATMs to make sure at least all the villages in and around our plants have access to clean drinking water 24/7.
In our quest to make potable water accessible to all, water ATMs have been installed across villages in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh.
पहले हमारे गांव में पीने के पानी का बहुत समस्या रहती थी, शुद्ध पानी उपलब्ध नहीं हो पाता था, परंतु इस एटीएम के लगने से हमारे आसपास के कई घरों में बहुत अच्छा पीने का पानी हम सबको मिलता है। तो शुद्ध पानी मिलने से उनके स्वास्थ्य में भी लाभ मिला है।
These water ATMs are run through solar power, which makes them planet friendly. Concurrently, more than 100 solar lights brighten the streets of Dhar, Madhya Pradesh, ensuring safety for women and children, particularly after dark. In an endeavor to create a green environment for a positive planet, Hero Future Energies has so far conducted more than 7,000 tree plantations in various places in India. The trees once planted are handed over to the people who nurture them.
If we can, by any small means, play a part in somebody's life and make their life a little better, there is no better feeling than that. And I feel this is what my dad would have wanted, and I'm sure he's very proud of what his wife did, and I think that's what I also try and emulate, or I also try and take from his learnings.